Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube with no subscribers? It may sound like a pipe dream, but believe it or not, it's entirely possible. Yes, you heard that right. With the right strategies and a pinch of perseverance, you can start generating income on YouTube, even if you're just starting out with 0 subscribers. One such strategy is using affiliate links in your video descriptions. This approach is not just for the big players, but for anyone who's willing to take the plunge into the world of affiliate marketing. Throughout this video, we're going to break down the process step by step, from understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, setting up your affiliate links, to effectively using them on YouTube. So, if you're ready to turn your YouTube channel into a potential money-making machine, buckle up. So let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube, even if you don't have a single subscriber. First things first, we need to understand what affiliate marketing is. Now, imagine being in a bustling marketplace. You see a stall selling a product that you absolutely love, and you can't help but tell your friends about it. In return, the stall owner gives you a small percentage of every sale made from your recommendations. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. In a digital context, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission from the sales made through your unique affiliate link. This link is like a digital fingerprint, distinguishing the sales generated by your efforts from those made directly by the product owner. There are 3 main players in the affiliate marketing game: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant is the creator or seller of the product. It could be a big company or a solo entrepreneur. They're the ones with a product to sell. Next, we have the affiliate, which could be you. As an affiliate, your job is to promote the merchant's product. You don't need to own a product or even stock inventory. You simply connect the merchant with the customer, and for that, you get a commission. Finally, we have the customer. They're the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Without sales, there are no commissions. And without commissions, there's no affiliate marketing. Now, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win-win situation. The merchant gains exposure and sales they might not have gotten otherwise. The affiliate earns money without having to develop a product, and the customer finds out about a product they might love thanks to the affiliate's recommendation. It's important to note that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any venture, it requires effort, patience, and a keen understanding of your audience. But with the right approach, it can be a viable way to earn money online. So now that we know what affiliate marketing is, how do we use it on YouTube? The first step to making money on YouTube with affiliate links is to become an affiliate. So, how do we go about becoming an affiliate? Well, it's not as complicated as it might sound. First off, you need to decide which product or company you want to promote. This could be anything from tech gadgets and beauty products to online courses. So choose something that aligns with your personal interests or the interests of your potential YouTube audience. Once you've decided on a product or company, the next step is to find their affiliate program. Many companies have these programs in place as a way to drive sales and increase brand awareness. Typically, you can find information about a company's affiliate program on their website, often at the bottom of the homepage or in the site's footer. If it's not immediately visible, a quick search on the company's site or even a Google search of the company's name followed by affiliate program should do the trick. Now, once you've found the affiliate program, the next step is to apply. The application process will vary from company to company, but generally, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your platform. Don't worry if you don't have a massive following on YouTube yet. Many affiliate programs are open to creators of all sizes. Once your application is accepted, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll promote to your audience. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets access to products or services you recommend, and you earn a little bit of money for your efforts. Now that we have our affiliate link, we need to put it somewhere people can find it, and that's where YouTube comes in. Now, let's move on to the next step, using affiliate links on YouTube. So how do we use affiliate links on YouTube, especially if we don't have any subscribers? The first thing you should know is that your video description is a goldmine. It's not just a place to give a brief overview of your video content, but it's also a platform to promote your affiliate links. Understanding how to construct an enticing and informative video description is key. It should be a balance of providing value and promoting your affiliate products. Start off with a short summary of your video, then transition smoothly into introducing the products or services you're affiliated with. Explain briefly how these products or services are relevant to your video's content and how they can benefit your viewers. Now, here comes the crucial part. Include your affiliate link in the description. Make sure it's visible and easy to find, but don't make it too salesy. You want your viewers to click on the link out of genuine interest, not because they feel pressured to do so. But what if you don't have subscribers? How will people find your videos and, in turn, your affiliate links? Well, that's where the magic of search comes in. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. This means that even without subscribers, your videos can still be discovered through search. To maximize your video's visibility in search results, you need to optimize your video. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Make sure your video is high quality and provides value to viewers. Encourage engagement by asking viewers to like, comment, and share. All these factors contribute to your video's search ranking. The beauty of this method is that it's a win-win situation. Your viewers get value from your content and the products or services you recommend. You get a commission every time someone purchases through your affiliate link. And as your video gets discovered more through search, you'll start gaining subscribers, so don't be discouraged if you don't have any subscribers yet. With the right strategies, you can still make money on YouTube through affiliate links. And that's how you can start making money on YouTube with no subscribers through affiliate links. But wait, there's more to this story. Yes, you heard it right. While affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money on YouTube without a large subscriber base, building a strong and engaged audience can skyrocket your revenue potential. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the community you build, the trust you establish, and the value you provide. Imagine being a part of a thriving YouTube community where your voice matters, your content is eagerly anticipated, and your recommendations hold weight. That's the power of having a strong subscriber base. It amplifies your reach, boosts your credibility, and ultimately enhances your earning potential. But how do you build a vibrant subscriber base from scratch? It's not magic, it's a journey of learning, experimenting, and growing. And guess what? You're not alone in this journey. We at the T-Man Makes Money YouTube channel are right here with you every step of the way. We are committed to providing you with the most effective tips and tricks on making money on YouTube and other online platforms. From understanding the nuances of affiliate marketing to mastering the art of crafting engaging content, we've got you covered. We believe in the power of shared learning, we believe in the strength of a community, and we firmly believe that with the right guidance and persistence, you can make your mark on YouTube. So here's our call to action. Join us. Subscribe to the T-Man Makes Money YouTube channel. Be a part of our dynamic community. Learn from our experiences, share your journey, and let's grow together. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and this could be your first step towards building a successful YouTube career. So go ahead, take the leap, and start your YouTube journey with affiliate marketing. And don't forget to subscribe to the T-Man Makes Money YouTube channel to keep learning and growing. Because together, we can make the impossible possible.